Hydrogen plays an important role in many industrial processes. However, hydrogen production generates large amounts of carbon dioxide. Our project, Delivering Blue Hydrogen, partnered with Suncor Energy and overseen by Aline Bogert and Michael Vitelli, focuses on reducing emissions by integrating a carbon capture system. At Suncor's hydrogen production plant in Fort McMurray, hydrogen is essential for upgrading oil sands and supporting operations. However, the steam methane reforming process relies on natural gas and high heat, which leads to significant carbon dioxide emissions. In fact, producing just 1 kilogram of hydrogen releases 7 kilograms of carbon dioxide. As demand for hydrogen continues to grow, reducing these emissions becomes increasingly important. The goal of our project was to design a carbon capture system that could reduce emissions from the hydrogen production plant by 50%, while remaining economically feasible. In addition to lowering emissions, we also evaluated the environmental benefits and the long-term practicality of implementing this system at the existing Suncor facility. To achieve this, we designed a carbon capture process that removes carbon dioxide from Suncor's gas stream before it gets released to the atmosphere. First, the gas passes through an absorber unit where a liquid solvent, MEA, absorbs carbon dioxide, separating it from the rest of the gas. The solvent is then sent to the regenerator unit, where the carbon dioxide is released in a concentrated form, allowing it to be captured and stored. The liquid is then reused, allowing the system to operate continuously and efficiently. Implementing carbon capture can significantly reduce the environmental impact of hydrogen production by lowering overall carbon emissions and supporting long-term climate change goals. In addition to environmental benefits, there are also economic advantages. Reducing emissions can lower carbon tax costs and improve the long-term competitiveness of industrial facilities. Designing systems like these helps existing plants continue operating while transitioning toward cleaner energy production. Carbon capture provides a practical way to reduce emissions without completely rebuilding existing infrastructure. Technologies like this can be applied to other facilities, helping the industry move toward cleaner and more sustainable energy production. Our project demonstrates how engineering solutions can play an important role in reducing emissions while meeting growing energy demands.